Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by clarifying who the watch is for and what matters most. You need concrete criteria to filter companies quickly. Once done, prioritize features like battery life, sensor suite, and required certifications so you can eliminate unsuitable vendors. Make sure to set budget bands and compatibility requirements, OS, Bluetooth versions, and water resistance ratings, because these determine manufacturing options. This focused start saves time and gets you into outreach with companies that actually match your product vision and constraint. Now you dive into supplier research and systematic evaluation. Compile a shortlist from OEM/ODM directories, trade show rosters, and LinkedIn leads. Once you have 3-5 candidates, compare their tech stack, minimum order quantities, lead times, and pricing so you can spot trade-offs. Make sure to request datasheets, IP and NDA terms, and prototype samples to verify claims. As you receive responses, score each vendor on quality, communication speed, and scalability so the choice becomes a matter of data, not guesswork. You wrap up by running pilot tests and formalizing terms, prioritize function, durability, EMC, battery life, and real user trials to catch issues early. Once pilots pass, negotiate MOQ, lead times, warranty, tooling costs, and change control so expectations are locked in. Make sure to set QA checkpoints and a contingency plan, second sourcing or buffer inventory, before full production. If problems arise, stop production, document failures, and escalate with concrete test evidence so you can enforce fixes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.